Welcome to the LitLearn Lounge, where we dive into the depths of literature and explore the beauty of language. Today, we embark on a journey through Shakespeare's timeless sonnet, Sonnet 18. So grab your favorite cup of tea, settle into our literary haven, and let's unravel the layers of this exquisite piece together. Our adventure begins with the first quatrain of Sonnet 18, where the speaker poses a question that echoes through the ages. Shall he compare thee to a summer's day? Ah, the age-old dilemma of measuring beauty against nature's finest creation. But wait, there's a twist. This young man, our muse, surpasses the brilliance of a summer's day. His loveliness, like a gentle breeze, tempers the scorching heat of comparison. As we glide into the second quatrain, Shakespeare masterfully paints the passage of time with a stroke of his poetic brush. Just as seasons transform, the perfection of summer's beauty wanes. Those delicate buds are shaken by the harsh winds of reality, reminding us that perfection is fleeting. Now, let's move to lines 5 and 6. The speaker shifts his metaphorical lens from summer to the sun, the eye of heaven. Yet even this celestial giant has its moments of imperfection. Sometimes blazing too fiercely, other times obscured by clouds. The parallels with life's unpredictability are unmistakable. Lines 7 and 8 usher in a revelation, beauty's fragility. Chance and nature's unyielding course can wither the most exquisite blooms. The speaker's sharp insight pierces through poetic ornaments, exposing the harsh truth that everything fair eventually succumbs to the relentless march of time. As we reach the 9th line, a beacon of hope shines through. The young man's beauty, unlike fleeting summer days, transcends decay. It's a timeless treasure that defies the grasp of death itself. The final quatrain, lines 9 to 12, unveils a profound paradox. The young man's immortality lies in the poet's eternal lines, the very verses we're savoring now. The poem breathes life into the beauty it extols, an intricate dance of creation and existence. And now, as we approach the grand finale, the speaker's confidence soars. His words, his verses, are an unbreakable bond between the young man and eternity. For as long as people breathe, as long as eyes scan these lines, the young man lives on. The poet's audacious belief in the enduring power of his creation resonates with us, inviting us to ponder the role of poetry itself in preserving beauty beyond its mortal confines. And there you have it, a journey through Shakespeare's Sonnet 18, a reflection on love, time, and the indomitable spirit of poetry. Join us here in the LitLearn Lounge for more enchanting explorations into the world of literature. Until next time, keep turning the pages of wisdom and immortality.